Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to PLCY 703. My name is Dr. Lee Cheek, and I will serve as your professor this semester. It is certainly my hope that this will be the most intellectually engaging, the most interesting, and the most fun class that you take as a graduate student in the Helm School at Liberty University. This is a course in controversies related to the evolution of the American Constitution. The Constitution serves, of course, as the backbone of the American political system. It sets up our structure. It confines, in many ways, the limits of politics and the limits of government in our constitutional system, which are quite unique, certainly in the Western world. And that's what makes this course so important. Like all courses in the Helm School, it is a 8-week class, and it is fast-paced. It is invigorating, and hopefully it will help undergird your graduate studies in the Helm School. Well, let's talk about what we're going to be doing the next 8 weeks. First week, we'll begin with fulfilling the course requirements checklist, our first discussion thread, which is on original intent in the Constitution. That will be a great theme of this course. In the discussion thread, you post a response to the major question that's offered whenever we have a discussion thread. By Thursday and then by Sunday evening, you respond to at least 2 others. And make sure to put everything that you write in the best grammatical, the best stylistic format, as well as the best bibliographical format. Week 2, we have a second discussion thread over government overreach versus responsible government. What constitutes the very best constitution in terms of one that's allowed to grow or the one that needs to be restrained? The great tension really in American constitutionalism. The need to restrain a constitution, but on the other hand, the need to empower a constitution. Week 3, we have another discussion thread that involves the great increase of the size and scope of government in the progressive era, and we'll be looking at some readings, and you'll get a chance to respond, ponder, and engage. Week 4, we have our first probably longer written assignment we call the original intent assignment. Week 5, there is another discussion thread about the role of judicial activism. Really, judicial activism can be both on the left and on the right, and so we'll look at different aspects of that. Week 6, we have a 2-part assignment. Again, a discussion thread over how the interpretation of the Constitution has changed since the Second World War, as well as a practical exercise as a policymaker. Again, part of the goal of this graduate program is to help you be more proficient as a policymaker, as a policy advisor, and as a potential teacher of the policy process, which is so critical to life in any democratic republic. And this is a chance for you to begin that process. By the way, though, in the public policy program, we attempt to help you narrow your focus early on, perhaps in this course, but then as you develop into a policy maker, policy theorist, policy teacher, focusing on more and more narrow concerns as you progress towards the dissertation. In fact, I'm going to ask you to look at 3 or develop 3 major policy interests in the course of PLCY 703. And so week 7 is a constitutional order assignment that is a analytical paper. It is really at the center of the course. So this paper is very key. By the way, all the dynamics, all the requirements of these papers are listed in Canvas and are available for you to check, to recheck at any time. And then our final week 8 is a reflection paper of what you've learned, what seems to be most important, and even encouraging you to have more refinement in terms of your policy analysis. Okay, that's a basic breakdown of the course. That's a survey of the course. I am again very happy to be your professor of the semester. I have been a college and university professor for over 30 years. If you're interested in my publications, www.drleecheek.net. I include some additional information about myself. I am very much looking forward to working with you and helping you. Your success is vital to everything that I do in my life, and really the future of the Republic, in my view. Not to be too hyperbolic, but that your work is very important. And my contact information is all in the introductory comments. And I look forward to our time together. And may God bless you this semester and bless our studies.